Hi, my name is Andrew from the Lake Norman Sunstoppers location. I'm here to talk to you about window tint care and post-installation maintenance. First thing is make sure your windows stay up 2 to 3 days. At least 2 to 3 days, let the adhesive sit and dry. But it takes up to 2 to 3 weeks for all the moisture to completely evaporate. So you might see some dimpliness after 3 or 4 days. Feel free to roll your windows down, it's gonna dry. But a good sun bath will really dry that up in a hurry. The second part is our warranty. You get a lifetime warranty on the film against fading, peeling, bubbling, but you gotta be careful with like your seat belts or rings. A good whack or two with a ring or the seat belt will definitely put a hole in it, which is not covered by standard warranty. But we do offer an extended warranty. When you come in for installation, we can give you all the information, and it's a minor cost. It's well worth it if you have kids. And third, on our glass cleaner, we highly recommend Invisible Glass. You can get it anywhere, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. It's ammonia-free. Any window film, you want to avoid any glass cleaners that have ammonia in it. It can wear down on the film and turn it purple.